Today is Thursday, April 24th. These are the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado rear 6x9 original vintage Delco speakers. These are the 10 ohm speakers as stamped on top of the cover of the magnet, the 7937455. Okay, and these are for my friend Stuart in Rhode Island. He sent me these speakers. They were very badly corroded inside the cone, and the material, of course, torn. One of them functioning, one of them not functioning, but they've been fully restored by my friend Joe, here local to me. I restored the original vintage Delco radios, and I have these speakers restored for customers who buy the fully restored AM/FM Delco stereo radios with Bluetooth augmentation that I provide. And the speakers are absolutely beautiful. So this is video number 1 out of a 2-video set. I'll be doing a functional validation test under power with the actual AM/FM Delco stereo radio with 8-track and Bluetooth augmentation for my friend Stuart before I go ahead and ship these up to Rhode Island. So this is video number 1 out of that 2-video set. I just wanted to show how beautiful the restoration work is of the speakers. Okay, and they are identified in terms of proper polarity for the grounding and the positive connection, as depicted by the red dot on the positive pole. And most importantly, they are original vintage 10 ohm speakers, not 8 ohm, not 6 ohm, not 7 ohm. And this is a very critical aspect of the original vintage high fidelity Delco radios, that we deal with 10 ohm speakers specifically in order to avoid any pushback into the radio, which is the #1 culprit in terms of blowing the transistors and the ceramic resistor fuses inside the motherboard. Okay, so I always recommend that we have the original vintage Delco speakers restored when available. Today is Thursday, the 24th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, such as the AM/FM Delco stereo radios with the 8-track or signal-seeking function, augmented with Bluetooth functionality, and of course providing the period-correct speakers. In instances where the original 10 ohm Delco speakers are not available, I have some remaining custom 10 ohm speakers that I had made several years ago, about 5 years ago. I still have some of those available, and those are also exacting to 10 ohm and not 8 ohm, which has been found to be the #1 culprit of vintage Delco radio destruction. Okay, so this is George in Florida. Today is Thursday, the 24th of April. Thank you very kindly.